Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with a picture on your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to go for the settings, scroll down, enter system, tap on the languages and input, then go for the virtual keyboard and select Gboard. Right now we have to go for the theme, click right here. Right now you can select the picture. So actually right now I'm looking for my download picture, but there is no in the recent, so I'm going right here and I'm tapping on the downloads, and here it is. And here we can just pinch, scale the picture. Click next. Here we are able to set up the transparency. Tap down. I'm going to turn off the key borders to be able to see my picture better, and then tap on the apply, and after that we can check our new keyboard theme. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.